In the exhibition, Jaime Carrejo, Waiting, the artist Jaime Carrejo takes us through the psychological experience of having to wait. In this room, we are taken into a lush, verdant environment that is tailored for waiting. We have chairs, we have fake plants, we have wallpaper that is meant to communicate the idea of both claustrophobia and the idea of having nothing else to do but watch plants grow. Now, waiting we often associate with being a negative experience. We can't do the things we want and we're frustrated. But the artist Jaime Carrejo encourages us to think of it as an activist or positive opportunity. What do we have time for now that we didn't have time for previously? And what relationships can we foster now that maybe we wouldn't have had time for before 2020? And through that way, through also music, waiting music in this space, Jaime Carrejo creates a space that allows us to reflect upon the experience of 2020 and 2021 and what it means to live through this COVID-19 pandemic.